Hey, welcome back to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a Rolex 42mm Yacht-Master in 18 karat yellow gold with a black index dial on a black Oysterflex bracelet with a matching 18 karat yellow gold deployment. Model reference number for this watch is 226658. Retail price on this watch is from the dealer brand new is in 2022 is $28,300 US. So I'm going to be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, the bezel, the dial, the crown functions, as well as the movement. And I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The Yacht-Master 42mm is one of Rolex's updated watches. It replaces the Rolex original 40mm 116628, and it comes in a black Oysterflex strap instead of an 18 karat yellow gold bracelet. A newer version of this watch has a black ceramic bezel insert, and the watch is a 42mm case from my thumb to my pointer finger. It's a little bit more oversized than the Rolex Submariner 41mm. Now this case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet, so while you're probably not going to be able to go diving really deep with it, but you can still go swimming with the watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up, so let's try it on for size. I'm wearing this on my wrist here. Feels good. Feels balanced. Doesn't feel too heavy. Could be sized down a little bit more. Overall, it grips my wrist well enough. It sits on top. It feels good. Going on to this bi-directional matching bezel. This is an 18 karat yellow gold bezel with an insert. It's a black Cerachrome insert. The insert has raised polish numbers and indices on a black matte background for better visibility. Hopefully you can see that. It's bi-directional as well, so you can actually move it both ways. Yeah, this bezel has a really nice look, contrasts the case really well too as well. So black with yellow gold. Now going on to the dial, we're looking at a no-nonsense black dial with a large, easy to read index hour markers. You can tell that the dial is glossed or a little bit shinier. And this watch has hour minute hands that have applied with Chroma Light Lume, and that has a blue color. The second hand has lume as well. Let's go ahead and turn off the light for a better look. See what this looks like in the dark or under low light conditions. And there you have it. Hopefully you can see that second hand floating around in there at the 9 o'clock position, going to the 10 o'clock position. Nice and crisp. Easy to read in the low light conditions. Let's turn that light back on. Let's take a look at that date window here. Let's move the hand out of the way. We can see the date window here at the 3 o'clock position. And it's sitting under a Cyclops magnification window. Now this magnifies the window about 2.5 times its original size for easy viewing. Next we're going to be looking at the crown here at the 3 o'clock position. It can be wound in the first position, so right out from unscrewing it from the case, you can wind it about 10 to 15 times. That should get this movement working properly. And the second position out, we'll actually change the date wheel. We'll see the date wheel at the 3 o'clock position, cycle through the dates. Third position out is going to be able to set the minute and hour hands, like so. Once you have them all set, you can screw down the crown and your watch should be set. Now the movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 3235. It has the hour, minute, date, and center seconds functions. The power reserve is about 70 hours, so you can set this watch back down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning, and it's still going to be keeping time. Now onto the bracelet of this watch. This is actually a strap. We're looking at a black Oysterflex strap, clasped together by a matching 18 karat yellow gold deployment. Let's open that up so you can see how that folds over. Now this folding Oyster lock deployment closes up the bracelet really nice and securely. And it also has what's called a glide lock extension system underneath. If you noticed here underneath the buckle, we have an extension system, and the way it works is if you just tug on the strap, you should be able to release that system and move it outwards, inwards or outwards. Now I think that this glide lock system is actually a little bit nicer than the Easy Link feature on other Rolex watches. Glide lock extension is going to be able to size out that watch or size it down as much as 20 millimeters, as opposed to the Easy Link's 5 millimeters. So you can definitely get a lot more extension out of this than the Easy Link. Now, as far as what I think about this watch, if you're looking to wear a sports watch in a precious metal, it tends to be a pretty heavy watch due to the weight of the material. Now, this watch is in gold and it does catch the eye, but the rubber Oysterflex strap here, it holds your watch in place and makes the weight of the watch more manageable on your wrist when you're in active situations. It also allows your wrist to breathe. You notice that the wings here underneath the strap actually raises it up off your wrist and allows it to breathe. Now, a normal gold watch would actually shift or slide around on your wrist in hot and sweaty conditions. This watch is easier to wear without bonking around on your wrist. The movement in the watch is shared by the Rolex Datejust and Submariner, which are everyday wear watches. And that means you can wear this watch every day if you wanted to, and it would have the same functions as get you through your day. Now, if you ask me, I wouldn't mind seeing this watch on my wrist on a daily basis. This is a really good looking watch. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. The model reference number again is 226658. This is the Rolex Yacht-Master 42 millimeter and 18 karat yellow gold on an Oysterflex strap with a glide lock deployment. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.